welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to save items on Facebook Marketplace. If you like any product on Facebook Marketplace, you can save this for future access. Today we will learn this. Please hit the like button and let's continue. After opening the Facebook app, tap on the menu in the top right corner and then tap on the Marketplace. Here you will find the Facebook Marketplace. Open a product. Tap a listing that you want to save. Here you will find some options. Send offer. You can send a custom offer to this seller, or you can save this for future access, or you can share this to anyone from your friend list. We will save this listing for future access. Tap on save and item has been saved. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you liked this. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.